A very good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Jayaprakash Srivastav, and I will be taking your subject graphics and design modeling. And the beginning of this subject only, I'm going to tell you that this is a very interesting and yet very scoring subject. Okay, so I need your full attention, and definitely I will tell you that you are going to learn a lot of new things that will be helpful for your entire this BTech journey, as well as in your professional career also. Okay, so let's start. So first we will try to understand what is graphics, what is graphics communication. Okay, so as a content of this presentation, I would like to tell you first I will give you a brief introduction about what is this graphics language, what is this design modeling, what is its important, where is its applicable, as the students are coming with different backgrounds, like someone is going to pursue computer engineering, someone is going to pursue electronics engineering, someone is going to pursue mechanical, and someone is going for civil engineering. So with different perspective, what is its application, what is the help, what the benefit of this subject for different domains of the engineering branches, that we will see. Then we will see our course structure. I will give you in detail. Course outcome, what is the course syllabus, that in this course what we are going to study. Then components of graphics, and methods of definitely the methods of graphics, like uh, earlier days people were using conventional methods of drawing boards, so I will give you some idea about those things also. Okay, because conventional things cannot be eliminated, you must know what are those conventional things. And in current times, how the people have switched from that conventional mode to the software mode. Okay, so there are many CAD softwares. We will go in detail about those softwares also. And we are using AutoCAD software for this course. Okay, so at preliminary level, at the basic level, AutoCAD is the software that we are going to use for this subject. Okay, so the different user interface of this software we will see in next lectures or the coming lectures. And some basics of engineering drawing, like dimensioning, how to give the dimensions, how to write any letter. Like in general writing, you can write anything. Okay, but in engineering graphics there is a specific way of writing anything. Like here you have can see on the screen graphics and design modeling. So it is written by system fonts, computer fonts. Okay, so it is a standardized way of writing each and every alphabet. Like this, in engineering graphics also, there is a standard way of writing any word or any alphabet. Okay, so that is called as lettering. Then again, here you can see one pictorial representation of a conceptual bike here. Okay, so when any drawing is made, here you can see different varieties of lines. Some lines are dark, some lines are light. Okay, so there are different types of lines used in engineering drawing. So we will also see what are those different types of lines. So this is all about what we are going to see in present lecture.